Hey everybody, we're back again.
To taste some things, some different things.
Yeah, the OYNs got some new snacks to taste. Nothing gross today. We hope not anyway. We got some Bobos. There's some Bobos. Some Bubbles, PB&J's, Bubbles. Some people already had them. They'll leave something in the comments and let you know what they think. We had the grape Bobos, but not the strawberry. We'll leave our opinions to after we try this one. And then this is one I've been having on my list for a minute. It's called pineapple cake. This is what it looked like. It got some kind of goo in it. Goo. It's gonna be worth a little good shot there. A little good shot. What'd you say?
I just keep my mouth closed because everything I'm about to say is gonna come back.
And we got this right here.
You don't even know what flavor it is.
It's white peach.
It's blue.
And then we also have Dr. Pepper Cherry Crush. It's Cherry. It's Cherry Crush. Dr. Pepper Cherry Crush. And some Hawaiian luau barbecue. There you go, right there, good people. There you go.
And then, as he breathes so hard over there, because he just puts up with my shenanigans, and you know it's the viral TikTok Biscoff cheesecake, but I added some other things to it, so we'll get that done too. You could act like you'd be excited.
I am. I'm trying to hurry up and get to get it over with.
You get on my nerves.
What?
To get it over with.
I didn't say anything.
And you wouldn't even say if you liked it if it was good.
I was saying that. Okay, this the Bubbles. We got the Bubbles. And this what the Bubbles look like.
Look like the Bobos give you bubble good.
I mean, it kind of look like a fried green tomato.
You wouldn't even eat those.
Okay. So I'm just gonna get this piece right here with strawberry in
strawberry
it.
on out.
Yeah, there you go. Find your own.
It's not much strawberry in there. It's more oatmeal than anything.
Yeah.
Tracy brought home the Bobos.
I did get the Bobos. The jelly.
It tastes like
it's good.
a little Delbert oatmeal pie with no cream in the middle.
But the oatmeal part of it is just overburned.
Because it's healthy oatmeal. It's not.
Yeah, like I feel like a horse.
It's like a healthy snack.
They ain't put me in some other jelly. Look, it went right back together.
You got these from Publix, didn't you?
I sure did. Anywho.
Yeah, you make you thirsty.
Out of 5, I give this a 2.
I give it a 3.
All right, we're gonna try the white grape. Since you said you was thirsty. I mean white peach, not white grape. Sorry. And if anything fly out my mouth, it's just oatmeal from that Bubbles.
It must be good. He going back.
Oh, sorry about that.
Rudeness.
It's okay.
He's so rude.
It tastes like white peach. It's not bad. That's not bad. While she's trying the white peach,
Yeah,
I'm gonna go ahead and open the pineapple cake.
I'll pass on that.
What it taste like?
It don't got no bubbles in it. It's like blue. I don't know. I can't even describe that one. It's not nasty, but it's not. It tastes like the peach juice out the can of the peaches. Peach, the juices from the canned peaches.
Oh, look at this. This had come in there.
I figured that.
Alright, we gonna split one of these.
Yeah, because we're gonna have to put you on restriction with them where you can't have but one a night.
Hey.
I come looking for them and they be like, what are little pineapple things? Oh, I hate those.
Okay, this is what it look like.
A cookie.
It look like
it looked like a tasty cake, a miniature tasty cake.
Look at that thing. Looks like an eraser.
Icing on the top.
Yeah, it look like an eraser. Here, take some.
Ooh, that's hard.
Okay. What is?
Yeah, no.
What is it?
I don't know, but I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with you eating all these because these is nasty.
What is it?
It's stink. I know from when I smelled it.
It's not. It's not good at all.
No, it's not right.
That's not good. I thought it was gonna be kind of soft, like a little cakey.
Like a Twinkie?
By the picture, like look at this picture right here.
It's false advertisement.
And you got that right.
I think this dessert gonna taste much better than that.
Yeah, we're gonna try this since we ate that dry sandbox
And it's
pineapple.
The
Seahawks won. Okay, Nikki.
Okay, Tracy.
You get the first go around with this one. It's Cherry Crush. The Cherry Crush pineapple. Cherry Crush. Cherry Crush, Dr. Pepper. You get the Cherry Crush, Dr. Pepper. You drink the Cherry Crush, Dr. Pepper.
I don't know what this tastes like, but it ain't no Dr. Pepper. Because there is a Dr. Pepper cherry, but this don't taste like, but it tastes like it got fake sugar in it.
I want you to try the Cherry Dr. Pepper. It's like Diet Coke.
I said fake sugar, didn't I? I don't never say, you know what, you're right. It tastes like it got fake sugar in it.
It do taste like fake sugar in it, but this is just not good.
No.
The blue is better than this.
Blue was better than that, yes, but the blue, it needed bubbles.
Well,
so all the drinks tonight have been
disappointing.
And his cookies have been. Now let's see about these chips.
You know what? If they got a lady on the front like this, that mean it's good. I'm here to tell you, I don't mess with that. Look at that. Look at that. Look good already. I'm going in. Yeah.
Those good.
They're for the win.
That's a win. Little spice on the end too. Woo. But it's good though.
They're for the win.
You recovered.
I recovered.
Yeah, because you took all this stuff.
I really did cook it. Ain't that hot.
It is hot. It's hot. Like, hot in your mouth hot, not on
There
your
you
lips
go.
hot. There
There you go.
No, thank you.
You could have drunk that. I'm gonna drink this one.
But they're good though. But it's burning. Well, down to our last tasting. We did agree that these chips are very good. They're just a little bit on the spicy side for me. And I like spicy food. But last but not least, we have the TikTok Biscoff cookies in the Philadelphia no bake
Don't spill it,
cheesecake.
but let us see it. Don't spill it, but let it. Okay.
And I added strawberries to it. So we're gonna try it. And I think it's gonna be delicious. Like your container.
Oh yeah, you did give me a separate container because I ain't want all that damn cheesecake in there.
You always gotta say what it's gonna be instead of just waiting and trying to
pudding.
see if you like it first. So I had to make him one layer of cheesecake with all the cookies on the bottom and top and stuff. You can, it looked the same. All right, let's taste it.
Let me see.
That's good. It's good. He ain't gonna tell you it's good, but it's good. I didn't knock his socks off with this one, but this is freaking delicious.
I was gonna say, it's good. It's good. It's good.
Thank you for fooling around with mine.
Nothing
try
wrong
this.
with the
Let's
this,
try
but
this.
it probably would have been a little more upgraded with some sugar cookie.
Like the chessman cookies?
Them shortbread cookies with the hole in the middle.
The little generic ring cookies?
Mm-hmm.
With the strawberry?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. This is delicious. But I'm gonna be forever trying to eat this.
Well,
But that's all for our tasting.
we'll be back again. The OYNs again.